The F96 error code appears when an oven's self-cleaning cycle is interrupted by the door being open. This issue can be caused by a defective door switch or a faulty control board. To resolve the problem, start by resetting the oven. Unplug it, wait at least 30 seconds, and use this time to remove any debris and clean the area around the door. Then, plug the oven back in and check if the error code persists. If the issue remains, inspect the door switch by turning off the oven, opening the door and cooktop, and using a multimeter to test for continuity. If the switch is faulty, replace it by sliding in a new switch, connecting the wires, and closing the cooktop. If the error code still appears, check the control board by removing the upper back panel, inspecting the wiring, and using a multimeter to verify if the board is receiving power. If the control board is defective, replace it by unplugging the oven, disconnecting the wire harnesses, and removing the mounting screws. Remove the old board, peel off the overlay, and attach it to the new board. Then, connect the wire harnesses to the new board, reattach the rear panel, and plug the oven back in.